Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to add Adsense code to WordPress. Let's dive right in. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. On this page, click on Add New Plugin option at the top left side of the screen. Go to the search bar, search for Google Analytics, and then press Enter. In the search results, you can see several plugin options for installation. I will choose SiteKit by Google with 4 million plus installations, with good ratings, and mainly compatible with my version of WordPress. Click on the Install Now button and after its installation tab on the Activate button to activate it. The Google SiteKit will be available in the side navigation bar. Click on it to open. Now you have to sign in with your Google account. Click on Sign in with Google, choose your Google account, click on Continue button, on Next page toggle on Select and click on Continue. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to add Adsense code on WordPress with your Google Analytics plugin. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.